Hey y'all, welcome to Simple Living. Welcome to my kitchen. I decided to jump on here really quick and try to whip out 2 different kinds of quick and easy desserts. Or one's a snack, one's it's a 3 ingredient. Both recipes will be 3 ingredients only. So this should be totally doable if you want to put this on your table for Thanksgiving, but if not, you can put it on your table for Christmas. But the first one is candied almonds and the second one is peanut butter caramel dip. So yeah, it's going to be amazing. So let's get going, let's get cooking, because I got a lot more cooking to do today. I don't know about you, but I always get like a 2-day head start, sometimes 3 and 4 day head start, depending on what I'm making. But yeah, it's that time to be in the kitchen. All right, let's get these almonds made, these candied almonds. I think you're gonna love them. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll see you right here. Okay, y'all, let's get ready to make these candles. Let's get ready to make these candied almonds. 3 ingredients. So you're gonna start out with just a nonstick skillet, and you're gonna add 2 cups of almonds, unsalted almonds. You're going to turn the heat on medium. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You're going to spread that over there. Add another. And now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And we're going to give it a stir. 1 teaspoon. And then just give it a stir with your non-stick spatula. And you're going to cook this on medium heat from 5 to 9 minutes, stirring occasionally. And when they all start sticking together, you're going to turn off the heat and you're going to transfer them over to a parchment lined cookie sheet, and then spread them out and let them cool off. And you can sprinkle them a little bit of sea salt if you want to. That's optional, or just leave them as is. And that's it. When they cool off, you're going to put them into a mason jar or whatever you want to store them in, and they will store for up to 1 month at room temperature. So if you don't have time to make these for Thanksgiving, these are going to go on my table because they're just so easy. This is 5 minutes of actual work, and now we just let it sit there and kind of bubble up, and then they're done. So this is super simple. All right, I'll come back when they get to the sticky point before we put them on the tray, so you can see what that looks like. Okay, they're starting to clump up even on the back of my spatula. And it's been about 5 minutes. You don't want to burn them. There's a small window here, so keep on stirring them. Don't let them stick. And then I believe we're done. And that's how you do it. And then we're going to transfer them over. Spread them all out evenly, like that. We're going to let them cool for 30 minutes. Sprinkle them up with some salt if you want. I'm going to do just a tad on half. There you go. And that's it, folks. Just like that. Something to snack on your Thanksgiving table. All right, I'll show you a pic of the final product at the end. Okay, y'all, here's my second quick recipe, 3 ingredients. It is, we were making peanut butter caramel. So you're gonna do 1 cup of your favorite peanut butter. I'm going to do a half a cup of Agave Nectar. And 2 teaspoons of some good vanilla. So I'm just gonna 1, 2, and you're gonna stir this all up. And this is going to be your caramel. Now I'm making for first time ever, I'm gonna make a cinnamon roll apple pie, meaning the cinnamon rolls are gonna serve as the top crust and the bottom crust of an apple pie. And I'm gonna try it for the first time for Thanksgiving. If this pie works out, I will definitely put it on my channel. Okay, there's your peanut butter caramel sauce. I use chunky peanut butter because I thought you can also, here's a bonus recipe, you can also turn this into a sauce by adding 1/3 cup of water, filtered water, and it automatically becomes a sauce for anything. So I thought, I mean, I love the caramel, the peanut butter caramel sauce, but I mean, yeah, peanut butter caramel, but I thought I would use mine to drizzle over the pie. So I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of water and thin it out a little bit so it can be used as a sauce for the apple pie. Like we need any more sweetness to this apple pie, but this will be an option. So it'll just be thinner. There you go. Yes, that's awesome. If you're going to serve this peanut butter caramel sauce as a dip for fruit or apples, you may want to sprinkle a little bit of mini chocolate chips on top of it. Okay, y'all, I've made the candied almonds and they are delicious. Here they are. They have cooled off. This is exactly how I'll be serving them on my Thanksgiving table. I'll just put a roll of them down the center along with the other food and people can snack. Delicious. 3 ingredients, so simple, 5 minutes to make. You can do this. I've got faith in you. If you just need something to snack on, to put around your house, that's the trick right there. You could put it in your family room. It's not messy. It's just delicious. Okay, and then we have our apple dip, or just dip. And then I told you I was going to turn this into a sauce. I am, but I wanted you to see how it is as I dip this peanut butter caramel dip. 3 ingredients. So let's give it a whirl. So if you're going to make it as a dip, like I suggested in the video, just go ahead and sprinkle some mini chocolate chips on there. But let's give it a whirl. Okay. Yeah, I might just leave this as a dip. I think the cinnamon roll, now y'all let me know, don't you think the cinnamon roll apple pie is going to be sweet enough on its own? Because I got a sneaky suspicion that I'm going to use the maybe the white glaze for the cinnamon rolls to glaze the top of the pie as I serve it a la mode. Yep, I'm gonna go there. I sure am. All right, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving from Simple Living and from my family to yours. I hope you find these 2 recipes a part of your Thanksgiving. Three ingredients. Could not be any more simpler than that for a Simple Living channel. All right. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all stay safe and God bless you. Bye-bye.